Hello my dear subscribers, my YouTubers, welcome to this channel, the channel about Belarus. I'm Natalia, your personal tour guide and insider in Belarus. So we're in Minsk, and what can I say, if you love lifted places as much as I do, this video is definitely for you. Because if you are in Minsk and walk by this beautiful place near Hotel Belarus, so look at this. On the top of this hotel there is a panoramic spot, and this is exactly that place where I'm taking you right now. Are you with me? Let's start. Join me. You see, now we are going to take an elevator, panoramic elevator, up to the very top of this hotel. But before we start, don't forget to hit the bottom, like, subscribe to my channel, and I will keep you posted about news and about Belarus. So we are entering the hotel and we're turning to the right and heading to the reception. Reception is just in front of us. Here at this reception you will take tickets. So you come to this reception and you have to buy tickets over here. Every half hour, the man from this hotel will take you up to the roof, and you can be over there up to 20-25 minutes. And this service works from 10 in the morning till 10 in the evening. Don't forget about it. So we are in Hotel Belarus, by the way, quite good 3-star hotel in the center of Minsk, and if you travel to Belarus, I definitely recommend you this hotel to stay and to explore this city. And now I've got my ticket, the price is 3 rubles and a half, and we will be accompanied with a man from this hotel, and we will go to the top. Let's go?
Let's go.
Let's go. We're waiting here for our real future life. Так, нажимаем, да? Look at this view, the view to the Trinity Suburb, the heart to our city Minsk, and we are on the top of Hotel Belarus, to be specific, on the 23rd floor. And by the way, on the 22nd floor there is a restaurant PANORAMA, which I recommend you to visit one day. I will leave the contacts from this restaurant, which is on the 22nd floor. Name of it is PANORAMA, and if you need to book a table to have a dinner with wonderful view to historical center, you're very welcome. But let's see what we can find from another side of this roof. I love such lifted places when you can have a look at our beautiful city somewhere from the top and contemplate and enjoy the beauty of our city. And I have a question to you, my followers, my subscribers. Are there any of you who are now in Minsk city and exploring our Minsk? What do you think about such travel tips, such videos as this one? Do you need it? And maybe someone will need them in the future. Please comment below this video. That's how I can understand, and that's how I know that you need such videos like this one. And don't forget to support my channel by sending some donations. I will leave the link below this video. But to be honest with you, my opinion about this place, definitely this is the best view to the city, and it is uncomparable with panoramic point from library, for instance. But on the top of this hotel they have just two narrow corridors with one view and another view, where you can stay up to 30 minutes over there, and there are no cafe right now, no places to have a seat and to enjoy this beautiful view. This is definitely what I would add in the future to this place. And who knows, maybe at that time when you come to Minsk, there will be a cafe on the top of this hotel. Enjoy the city, stay tuned, and I will keep you posted about Minsk and Belarus. Bye my dear subscribers, and see you in the future.